Abby, you are doing a fabulous job watering these flowers.
Thank you. I love helping out in the community garden.
All right, my dears. We are the Twiddlebugs, and we can do this. On the count of 3, push. 1, 2.
Wait! Should we push on 3? Or should we count to 3 and then push?
Great question, Tessie, my dear.
Hello, Twiddlebugs. If it helps, Abby and I always finish counting and then push.
That sounds good to me.
Why, thank you, good neighbors.
You're welcome.
Count to 3, then push, Twiddlebugs.
1, 2, 3, push!
Sticks. Twiddlebugs, why are you trying to move that cardboard tube?
We are building a playground for all the neighborhood Twiddlebug children.
You can come out here and play on the playground with me.
Oh, that's very kind of you.
The playground that you play on up there is great.
But everything is too big for us.
That is why we're moving this tube.
Our pushing just needs to be a little stronger. Twiddlebugs ready?
Yeah! Oh, Twiddlebugs, wait! I have an idea. Excuse me, neighbors.
Uh-huh.
Can you give a little extra push to help us?
Yeah, I can help.
Thank you. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, push!
Great job! Neighbors working together. I love it.
Yeah. Maybe I can help with even more things to play on if that's okay.
That would be great!
Let's do it.
It was kind of you to help us. Thank you so very much.
You're welcome.
Oh, we're happy to help.
Oh, yeah!
You know what, Abby? We all work together to help the Twiddlebugs. We should all feel so proud.
I do feel proud. And I feel like I want to swing too.